southeast winds 30 to 40 knots and seas 8 to 13 feet. Where coastal waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola, Florida out 20 nautical miles. When tropical storm force winds are likely Tuesday night through Wednesday. Impacts: very strong winds will cause hazardous seas which could capsize or damage vessels and reduce visibility. Mariners should alter plans to avoid these hazardous conditions. Remain in port, seek safe harbor, alter course, and or secure the vessel for severe conditions. Hurricane warning.